Binga banga banga, I'm so happy in the jungle, I refuse to go. 1, 2. Okay, I've just installed this fresh this morning and deleted my Garuda install so I could do this video. So I have nothing really installed on this. NeoFetch, so the version of Pop! OS 22.402 and the version of Gnome 42.2. Right, grand job. So you've freshly installed Pop! OS, but you hate it because it looks blech. So how do you fix that? Well, the first thing I normally do is go to this place. Now, if you go to this Gnome's Shell Extensions website, what you can do here is basically install extensions and make your desktop environment more customizable. If you click this install, this is going to install an installer on your browser. So if you just go ahead and click and add that, then what you can do is start going fucking hell for leather and add loads of shit. There is a precaution or a sort of be wary. Yeah, you should just be aware that as versions of Gnome increment and as different versions get released, some of these may become obsolete or just may not work. So there is that. So let's look. This is the applications menu here, right? So apparently this gives you a different applications menu. So let's try that. Error. That didn't work. Okay, grand job. Extensions list. Will this work? Yep, so now we have an extensions list. Oh, yeah, applications menu, that won't work. Can I open that? Oh, here we go. Okay, hold on. Requiring G menu. Okay, let's just remove this. So this is the extensions, as you can see. So you can basically just go fucking bing, bish, bash, bosh. Install loads of gear. Caffeine to keep your system from suspending itself, because we want this thing to go all night long. All night long. What else? Most downloaded. Let's see what this does. Dash to dock. This gives you more customization for your actual dock, which is handy. See the way it's now just changed, and it's went from a actual stationary dock to a floating dock. That's pretty cool. So this is basically how you get all your gear installed and get it all customizable. So this is a really good one. I found this one really handy. Sound input and output chooser. So if you go in here, there's not really much of an option. You have to go digging through the settings. So this is a must for me, this extension, and now I can select what audio it comes out of, or what device the audio comes out of, and same for the microphone. So that's extra handy. You can also change your icons in this gnomelook.org. So this is basically themes, icon packs, and just general shenanigans that you can install. Yeah, so Gnome will use GTK themes, GTK 3 and 4. I need something that's really distinguishable between the two. Let's try the Chrome OS one, and basically this will make it look horrendous. So yeah, that looks like a good job. Let's try this. So you can install this directly, or you can use a tool called OCS URL. You can use that Pling Store one or this one. I've used OCS URL before, so this is handy. So if you just fucking go skibbity bop and bop, download it, the Debian package, because we're on Pop. Download that, open that, install that, and this will make installing themes and icon packs that much easier. So that should be that. If I go Chrome OS Lite, let's install this one. And if you install it, it'll ask you, use the OCS, yes boy. Okay, now this is installed, right? So if we go user themes, because we installed that earlier, Chrome OS Lite. Hey, it worked. It's very seldom stuff works first time on Linux, so I may sound surprised. Oh god, okay, there's a bit of a clash going on here. So there's with some things. Yeah, you can go a bit too fucking mad with the extensions, and then it becomes a bit of a mess.
A few moments later.
Nothing's working now. Everything's a bit of a fucking disaster. Oh dear god. Nothing's opening. We're in fucking shitsville. Okay, we're restarting because I made a balls. But that's okay, because that is a good segue into the other option that we have, and that is to just completely fucking change the desktop environment. Okay, so you've changed some icon packs and you've installed some Gnome extensions, but you're still not happy because it's just something about the desktop environment that's just fucking blah. So Pop! OS, because it's well documented and pretty popular, what we can do is go to the support pages and it's full of support. So what we can do is look at changing the actual desktop environment, wherever the fucking thing is. Desktop environment change. So this should be good. So desktop environment change. Now be careful when installing other desktops. This may affect the default GNOME desktop, both Ubuntu and Pop. That's fine. I don't care about that. So different desktop environments. We have Mate, Cinnamon, Gnome, which we're already using, KDE Plasma. I think we'll try that one. XFCE. That's kind of like a fucking, I don't know what. Just looks horrendous, but that's fine. Let's just go with KDE because fuck it, that's why it's Christmas. Let's see what happens. I don't know how the fuck this all works. Basically, if you go to the Pop! OS website, this URL right here, and then if you just copy and paste this command into your terminal, that should get you going. And then I don't know what the next steps are after this because I haven't went this far before. Okay, yep, grand job. Let's keep going. Okay, and it's going to install now. So it's just going to rattle through loads of shit here. Okay, is this us? I don't know what to do now. Dolphin? Oh. This is different. Okay, I need to reboot. That's fine. So if multiple desktop environments are installed, which they are because we have GNOME and KDE, GDM will display a gear icon when you start up. So let's just fucking restart it. Systemctl, yep, that's fine. Fucking give me that. Will this fix it? Will it be normal or new? No, it's not. What the fuck? Right. You can't see this because it's on the lock screen. But if you do this by yourself, reboot your computer and it'll give you the option to have the sign in. And in the very bottom right corner, there'll be a wee cog. And if you go down and click it, it'll give you the options. So I had Pop and Plasma KDE. And I've just switched it to Plasma KDE. So, and what'll we get? I'm getting some fucking awkwardness over there. Oh, here we go. This has just worked. Oh, class. Okay, this has just worked. This is great. Class. Let me see what customize desktop effects. Here we go. Inverts the colors. I didn't invert fuck all. Those windows fall into pieces. What? Oh, that's class. I'm very easily entertained. Can we change the desktop icons? Global theme. Oh, I can click. Oh, nice. Okay, so it comes with some fucking pre-built themes that are nice and handy and dandy. Plasma style. Razzmatazz. Oxygen. That's cool. Okay, this is better than Gnome. It's probably class for other reasons other than this, but this is why I think it's class because of all of these options. Amazing. Okay, that's basically how to install a different desktop environment on Pop! OS. But you can also do the GNOME look and GNOME extensions. But if you ask me, I think this is probably better because those GNOME extensions are like separate little modules and they're not developed by the same crowd. Not necessarily, but this here all is packaged into one. So chances are it's going to be pretty consistent in terms of performance, reliability, and speed. It's all because it's all packaged into one. It's just that wee bit nicer and cleaner. So I like it. Have to say, I'm gonna stick with KDE. I think if you wanted to see anything or want me to try anything, let me know with a comment below. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. And until then, that's me. All right, bye.